òṣèré gómìnà ìlú kò ṣeré o alága ìbílẹ̀ ẹ ṣeré mòwe ẹ ṣeré kó dára ẹ ṣeré kó dára o.
Oba Musiliu Ademola Eletu Ashorota has been sworn in as the new Onitele of Itele land, Ota, Ogun State. This is in response to the yearnings of the people of Itele land for a new king. The coronation ceremony witnessed the presence of Obas, chiefs, traditional rulers, government officials, Muslims and Christian associations, residents of Itele land and its environs. His Royal Majesty Oba Musiliu Ademola Eletu Ashorota, the Ashorota Liar One, assured of his readiness to serve and solicited the support of everyone in the kingdom to make his reign a great success.
I come before all you today as a man pledge his unaware commitment to this kingdom and the people that I cannot do this alone without you all there. It's not me. I will serve you all with everything I have.
Ogun State Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun, who was ably represented by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Mr. Kolawole Fagbon, gave the speech of the day and handed over the staff of office to the king.
Let me, on behalf of Ogun State Government and the good people of Ogun State, congratulate our Oba Ademola Eletu on the formal installation and presentation of instrument of appointment and staff of office to the new Onitele of Itele Ota. Also, I commend the entire people of Itele Ota for your support, cooperation, and peaceful coexistence since the stool of Itele Ota became vacant with the demise of Oba Jimoh Ajibade Arowolu on 18th April 2005. I further enjoin the people of Itele to give your new Kabiyesi all the support and cooperation required to move Itele Ota forward. I am highly pleased and honored to present Kabiyesi Ademola Eletu, the staff of office and his appointment as the new King of Itele
Onitele o, Ashorota alaya bí ọbẹ̀, Ashorota, 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 ilé ọmọ wọ ìjímàgbà, ọmọ mi dúdú ṣọpa kọrin gbèsè, orílẹ̀ olùfẹ́ àbúrẹ́ ọmọ dáadé owó rẹ̀ mọ ní bàbá mi èpè ìfẹ́ ọ ní ẹrù jẹjẹ.
His Royal Majesty Oba Abdul Kabir Lanlege, the Olota of Ota Kingdom, was also present, and he appreciated the governor of Ogun State for his great support over the kingship process.
After 25 years with no Oba in Itele Ota, today we have a new Oba in person of Oba Ademola Eletu Ashorota. With presence of Oba in Itele Ota, I think Itele can now begin to witness development. But I believe with the coming on board of Oba Ademola Ashorota, this town will witness a lot of development. There is no doubt about it. So I want to thank His Excellency for doing this for us in our holy land.
Chief Mrs. Ramota Elai Hakinola Hazan, who is also connected to Itele Kingdom by maternal cords, was also present and expressed delight over the selection of the new Oba and appealed to residents of Itele land to support the king for a smoother reign and peace in Itele land.
Glory to God and the Olota of Ota that made it possible, make everybody happy today to witness a very good day of Itele today. Itele people should know that now that they should vote APC, that it is the APC king that brought the crown back to Itele. So they should try to vote APC in all general elections.
The Obas and other guests expressed delight over the selection of the new Onitele of Itele land, with the hope that his reign will bring more developmental activities to the kingdom.
It's so wonderful. We are so happy and we thank God for his faithfulness. It is what we have been praying for a very long time in Itele, that God should return and restore the crown of Onitele. And that prayer has come to pass today. We give God the glory.
Mo kí àwọn aráàlú Itele pé wọ́n kú oríire tọba tuntun. Oríire ńlá ló jẹ́ fún wọn. Kò ń ṣe pé wọ́n kàn fi èèyàn kan lásán jọba. Èèyàn ńlá ni wọ́n fi jọba wọn. So wọ́n kú oríire. Àdẹ́jọ́ ṣe lẹ́gbàlẹ́gbà lórí ìtẹ́ yìí agbára Ọlọ́run.
Láti ìgbà tí kábíyèsí wa ti ṣẹ láti ń dùn pé ká lè jẹ kábíyèsí mi, àmọ́ Ọlọ́run ẹlẹ́dàá àtàwọn aláṣekù ó wá gbé Ademola Eletu ọba òjẹ ó wá gbé wá fún wa. Inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀, inú mi dùn, gbogbo ìlú nínú wa dùn, gbogbo ìṣàgọ́ inú wọn dùn pé kábíyèsí rere Ọlọ́run yàn fún wa, lálálẹ́ yàn fún wa.
The general expectation is that unprecedented development will begin to spring up in the land with the emergence of Oba Musiliu Ademola Eletu Ashorota as the new Onitele of Itele land.
Onitele o, Ashorota láyà, ó ti mú oyè sí jẹ náà, ìwọ nà, ìwọ máa gbà o, ìwọ nà. Ẹni bá tó ogún, ọmọ mẹ́wàá ní àrà òkú, ikú àgbà méjì àkẹ́rìkọ, àrùn àgbà méjì àkẹfà, ọkọlẹ̀ méjì sínú igbó, ọkọlẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn omi, ṣọ̀pọ̀lọ́ olójú méjìlélógún, yóò méjì yókù. Ẹyẹ o, ẹjẹ ẹgbẹ̀dùn náà èyí kì í fi gégi kí ó ká lọ́lẹ̀ bàbá mi Ademola. Ọmọ òsù, ọmọ ọdún ọgọ́gọ́lá àmọ́sù, àkẹ́sán ni yíyọ, àkẹ́sán lẹ́yìn ọmọ agbẹ́jú òun wẹ̀, ẹ̀rú ọmọ ọ̀pá agbẹ́jú ẹ̀jẹ̀, ọmọ wẹ́dí ọlọ́kọ̀ tí í sọ́wọ́, àṣẹwà ọlọ́kọ̀ wá sí ìjìgbàlẹ̀kẹ̀, àgèdègèdè ọlọ́kọ̀ tí ìtọ́ yẹpẹyẹpẹ létí omi.
Òṣèré gómìnà ìlú